Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I have another little online shopping that I bought from Amazon, and I had to share with you guys because they are super cute. And I'll put the prices when I go through the items. I'll put it down because I don't remember it on top of my head, but I just got this right now. And since I bought this house, like, I'm into the color yellow for the home. Don't ask me why. I just like the black, white, and yellow. I do like turquoise as well. Bless you, Bella. Bless you. But look at these cute things. This is my favorite, and I think you guys gonna like it. Whoever has a tier stand, you're gonna love this. But I got this for the kitchen. It has another one, but I left it in the kitchen. I'll put the picture so you can see all four of them. The other one just has a mixture of the sliced lemon with the whole lemon. But it came four. So just mix and match with the plaid, the black and white plaid. This came in the set of 2. Super cute. This is plastic. Tiny lemon tree. So that came in 2. I think it's super cute. And now let's open up this. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So that tiered comes with 3 frames. And what I love about this frame, I took this one out so you guys can see what I mean. These 3 frames is good for all the holidays. So I don't have to keep buying different tier decoration. Every single time of the year comes, like, I need one for Easter, for Valentine's, you know, summer, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween. This comes with everything. So I'm gonna use this as an example so you can see. It comes with a little stairs ladder, and a window frame. And then for the window frame, it comes with different tiny little bows that you could change depending on your decoration. All colors. Oh, look at my plaid there. So it comes with all the colors, bows, and you just put it on top here. Now for this frame, I'm gonna use that as an example. This is the back of the frame. And then these little stuff they have all the holidays. So you change it to whatever holiday you're celebrating. So they have this for July 4th. You flip it over, you have Halloween. They have Christmas, you flip it over. Easter. This could be for Mother's Day, even Easter or spring. And then they have St. Patrick, love, fall, and then Home Sweet Home, just general. And then they have for Valentine's, and then the lemonade one that I'm gonna use because I'm into this theme. Well, the yellow, not the lemon, but the yellow. And the other frames are the same thing. Each of them are just like that. So you just change it to match each other, which I gotta change this one. Let me see what this one says. I'll be right back. Okay, so I took this one out and I just put this one back in, and I left it with the easy peasy lemon squeezy. This one I left it with the fresh lemonade. And look at this. Look at the one this one has. So it has Hello Spring, Happy St. Patrick's Day, Farm Fresh Pumpkin, so that'll be like for the fall and Thanksgiving, Christmas. So this is the one that I'm gonna use. Behind that one it says love. Use that one. And they have the witch one for Halloween. Simply blessed, just general message. Happy 4th of July, which I'll use this for July. And then happy Easter. And then that's the back of the frame. Isn't this cute? Super, super cute. And I'll put the prices in the, when I start, you know, in the beginning of the video. And now I'm gonna put a clip of my cranes. If you guys been here with me, you guys know that I love the cranes, these big birds that we have here in Florida. Not sure where else they go, but I love them. And they have babies. They had 2 babies, which I've seen them get big since I came back from Puerto Rico. I haven't seen them, and today they came and knocked on my sliding door. So I'll put a clip of that because it's just relaxing hearing the birds and seeing them so close to me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and see you in the next one. Peace. Oh, and I totally forgot that I got these little cute coasters, silicone, slice of lime, lemon.
Wow, you see?
What is this?
Lemon, lime.
That's what I said, lemon?
No, you said lime.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Lemon, lime. You know what this is?
I think that's dragon fruit. Like, you know the thing that has like the...
What is this? Watermelon? Oh, it goes this way. Watermelon. Grapefruit?
Orange.
Or orange? Or kiwi?
Starfruit.
Yeah, aren't these cute? Hot or cold? So I'll keep this in the island when people come over and sit down. Right next to Aiden and the tulip here. I forgot to show you this from Amazon as well. I ordered so much stuff, but this is from Amazon. This is for the pantry. Later on I'll show the video on how it looks in the pantry, but I love this. I saw this in a model home and I got it from Amazon grocery. Look, they came to see me. They haven't been here for a while, since I came back from vacation. Babies are getting huge. I wonder which one is the father. Look, she gets close to me. It's crazy how she gets the food and let the baby take it. Feels so good out here. How was fishing? How was fishing? How was fishing?
I didn't go fishing.
Oh, you went to the lagoon? Was there a lot of people? You want to keep picking up? Was there a lot of people? Look, she'll get it from my hands. Come afraid.
Why are we gonna go?
Go where? Where's this at? The Grove?
Yeah.
Just gotta put some clothes on. Feels good outside now. Probably in the lagoon because you've been out there, but here it feels good. It's breezy. You went in the golf cart?
Yeah. I was driving my friend's golf cart.
Oh. Oh, you didn't take hours?
I came back early because they want to go to water grass and I didn't think Daddy could make it.
That was her, right? What's she doing there? Like Dawn. Yeah, but she's not even moving her mouth. How she makes that? What is it? I don't know. I thought it was her wings. Alright, guys, you ate a lot. You know how she came? He came flying.
Right? Because I saw them over there.
No, but he came flying.
I saw them over there.
Then he stands on front of our sliding door, and he hit it with the beak hard. Let me say something to you guys. Bella came running, Bella and Roxy came running, and I came running. I'm like, what the hell hit the door like that? And it was him. They weren't here. They were not here. Only him. Right there. He hit it hard, like, BAM! I'm like, me va a romper el glass. And I didn't know it was them, though, until I came out and I saw him with the wing wide open. Because then he started doing like that sound, but loud. And then I fed him. He ate like 2. And then they came through the back over here. He was not playing. Like, come out. I haven't seen you in a while. I thought he was gonna break the glass. You imagine your dad? He breaks the glass. Then what you doing? Now they're leaving. I feel used and abused. Babies are getting big. Look, they just leave. My Crocs. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy this peaceful, relaxing vlog. I just clocked out of work. Thank you, Lord. Another day, another dollar. Peace. We definitely need peace and love in this world.